In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what the best time of the day to work out is for you, according to my handy dandy flowchart and research. If we haven't met before, hi, I'm Lindsay, your guide to fitness for the day. I've had conversations with my ex-boyfriend and a lot of people as to when should I be working out? And I know that a lot of people have this question. Luckily for us, our questions have been answered. So new research has come to light about what time of the day is the best time to work out. Get ready to be surprised. Most research studies in the past have been done with people with health issues or people who don't exercise, but the newest research study used healthy people who do exercise. For the purpose of the study, they used the morning time as 6 to 8 a.m. and the afternoon time was 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. In the study, both groups, the AM and PM group, did the exact same workout. The only difference was the time of day. The workouts consisted of a day of weightlifting, a day of cardio and intervals, and then another day of Pilates or yoga. They started this study with a test period and then 12 weeks of that cycle of cardio, strength, and stretching, and then they ended with a test. At the end of the experiment, all participants were all overall fitter and healthier than when they started. For the men in this study, the results were very straightforward. It concluded that the best time of the day to work out for all benefits was to just work out in the afternoon. But for women, we have to decide on what our goal is. So there were two main goals that both had different outcomes depending on the time of the day that you worked out. The first goal was to gain strength, and the second goal was to burn fat, especially belly fat. The morning group of women exercisers shed about 7% more waist fat than the afternoon group and 3% more body fat overall. They also lowered their blood pressure more than the other group in the afternoon. The group of women who exercised in the evening gained more strength than the women who exercised in the morning. They improved their upper body strength overall by 7%, and they were also able to do more sit-ups and push-ups. So now that you know the results of the research, you probably think, oh, well, it's easy. Let's just work out at that time. But I have a couple more factors for you. Let's talk about how exercise affects your sleep. So if you go to bed early, let's say you finish your workout at 8:30 and then you're gonna go to bed at 9:30, there's a possibility that your body will feel too awake and too alert to be able to actually get good rest. Also, if you eat too close to bedtime, the processing of the food might affect your ability to sleep. Both of these two things that could affect your sleep could really affect your working out in the long term, because sleep overall helps your body recover from exercise. So you don't really want to have any effect on your sleep. You want to be able to still get a really good night of sleep. Okay, so here is your handy dandy flowchart that I have made that will answer the question, what time should I work out? Your goal, first of all, do you want to build muscle or burn fat and lower your blood pressure? If you want to build muscle, the afternoon workout is your best option. If you want to burn fat and lower your blood pressure, the morning workout is your best option. But there's a lot of questions to be had here. If you're going to work out in the afternoon, it might affect your bedtime, in which case you might want to either adjust the time of your workout, go to bed a little bit later so your body has more time to calm down, but then you have to make sure that you're still getting at least 8 hours of sleep or more if you can. Then also food timing. This applies for both, really. If you come up with a plan that you're gonna eat right before your afternoon workout, are you going to feel okay while you're working out? Did you have a big enough dinner? Did you eat too much and now you feel like you're gonna throw up? There has to be some sort of balance there. And if you eat afterwards, is your stomach going to feel like it's processing all night, or you're going to have indigestion? And if it's in the morning, if you don't eat before, do you have enough energy to work out? And if you do eat before, is it like all like bouncing around in your stomach the whole time you're working out? And in the morning, you might also worry about, can you wake up that early? Are you actually gonna do it? Because it can be kind of hard to wake up and immediately like go to the gym and know that you have to do that, and it's easier just to sleep in sometimes. So are you going to do it? Same goes with afternoon too. Like maybe you get home from work and you're tired, and so you're like, I just need a break. And sometimes you do. So I have come up with the solution. And the solution is test it out. Test out what you are doing. So try it for a week and see if you can stick to it. See what works the best. The best way is to create systems and habits that work for you. When you're testing it out, ask yourself, can I do this consistently? Is this something that I can do every day on a daily basis? Am I going to follow through with this? The next one is it fun? And how do I make it fun? Do I have people that I like to work out with, and maybe they work out in the afternoon or in the morning? How can you work out with them? Do you enjoy it more in the morning or in the afternoon? Just the feeling of working out. Do you feel like you're feeling better for the day if you work out in the morning? Or do you feel like you're having a fun time in the afternoon? The next question you have to ask yourself is, which works out better for the times of day that I like to eat or that my stomach feels the best? Because the nutrients help power your body and you need them. You need them so you can work out. And also going with the things that you need is also sleep. So you need to know that you can get enough sleep and that the quality of sleep is good enough. So the answer is to test it out. Try. If you want to burn fat and lower your blood pressure, try working out in the morning for a week. Just test it out, see how it goes. And if you want to build muscle, try working out in the afternoon. See how it goes. And then see if you can do it consistently. But what the study really concluded was that no matter what, as long as you're working out, you are going to see results. And so the end result is just work out. You can do it. You can figure it out. Figure out a system that works for you, and then continually optimize the system. And then you're going to see the best results you've ever seen. And so that is the best time of day to work out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe. Okay, bye. If you are working on becoming your best self, make sure to pick up the new Flexi and Fit Planner. It was made specifically so you can optimize your training and get the most out of every day. It's also the prettiest planner ever made because each day is completely different with a different quote, picture, and background. So you have motivation every day to achieve your goals. Use the link in the description to get yours.